What's up guys, Rob from ShowingMotorParts.com. In this video we're going to replace the latch bar for a Minn Kota Fortrex or Ultrex. The latch bar is located on the front of the bracket on your Minn Kota Ultrex or Fortrex trolling motor. It connects to the latch pull bracket and its purpose is to hold the motor in place when it's in the deployed position. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I'm going to show you how to replace it step by step, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is put the bracket in the stow position to give us access to the latch bar. For this video, the motor is off of the bracket, but you can do this with the motor still on the bracket with no problem. The latch bar is just pressure fit inside of the latch pull bracket, so to remove it, we'll just be using a hammer and a punch. Here I have a new latch bar. The flat side of the latch bar will go towards the front of the bracket, and this groove right here will go on the same side as the safety latch. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our new latch bar. And once it is in place, we can test pull the rope to make sure it is working properly. And if it is, you are finished. If you are replacing this part frequently, we also have an upgraded stainless steel latch bar available. The replacement for this is the same, and we'll have a link for that in the description as well. So that covers it for the latch bar replacement. If you guys need to pick one of these up, we'll have the link in the description below. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and keep trolling.